Watch how subtle colors open up from the center, calm, delicate, and full of soft details. Welcome back to the Art of Yaomi. Today I'm working on a 10 by 20 inch canvas with a split base of white and turquoise. Over that I'll layer green turquoise, sky blue, gold, and bronze in a color mix that feels fresh and metallic all at once. First, I used the air dryer just to push the base coat across the canvas. For a second, I thought, oh no, did I even put enough paint down? The canvas looked like it might fight me back, but with a little patience and a lot of blowing, the white and the turquoise finally stretched all the way across. I wanted this pour to feel like water and light meeting in motion, a flow that feels alive and soft. After spreading the base coat, I always make sure the edges are covered. I use a little squeeze bottle to run paint along the sides so the canvas looks finished all the way around. It's one of those small steps that make a big difference. No bare edges sneaking through here. When I pour the paint across the base, I'm always trying to figure out where it wants to go. Sometimes I guide it, but most of the time it's best to let the paint take its own path. Going with the natural flow of your mind usually gives you the most interesting shapes and details. Right now, the colors haven't spread yet. I'm just pouring them onto the base. And honestly, this part is so satisfying. Watching each color slide out of the cup and land on the canvas feel calm and almost meditative. It's like setting the stage before the performance begins. You can probably tell my base coat is a little too thick here. The top layer of paint isn't moving as easily as it should. That's a good reminder for next time. Keep the base coat a bit thinner so the colors can glide across the canvas more smoothly. If you're new to pouring, consistency really matters. Think melted ice cream. That's the sweet spot for a base coat. Notice how the metallic bronze and gold catches the light. Every angle reveals something new. That shimmer is why I love adding metallics. They add volume and contrast, letting the lighter blues feel even more airy and spacious. Don't be afraid to experiment with metallics. Just use them sparingly so they highlight without overwhelming. As the paint settles, you can see some natural cells and beautiful lacing form on their own, bringing the whole composition together. This Dutch pour shows how fluid art can be both bold and delicate, a dance between control and surprise. If you enjoyed this process, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, stay creative and keep painting.